Doing homework is important because it develops responsibility and discipline, enhances study skills, builds confidence, and supports classroom learning. I'm going to share 8 ideas with you, and all of these ideas can really encourage your child to do their homework. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many parents find challenging: how to help children with their homework. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. Doing homework is important because it develops responsibility and discipline, enhances study skills, builds confidence, and supports classroom learning. But before we start, let me quickly tell you about myself in just one line. I'm Riddhi Devra, a certified parenting coach, founder of Easy Parenting Hub, and I'm on a mission to help mothers build happy families so that we can build a happy nation together. And today I'm going to share 8 ideas with you, and all of these ideas can really encourage your child to do their homework. Step 1 is to create a homework-friendly environment. Make sure your child has a quiet, well-lit, and an organized space dedicated for doing homework. This helps minimize distraction and sets the stage for focused work. A comfortable chair, a tidy desk, and all necessary supplies within reach can make a big difference in how effectively your child can concentrate on their homework. For my son, I have a very simple table and a chair set up with a plain whiteboard. I usually keep no toys or any other distracting things around this space. Step 2 is to establish a homework routine. Set a regular time each day for homework so it becomes a predictable part of your child's daily schedule. Consistency helps children know how to expect and reduce resistance. A consistent routine creates a sense of stability and helps children manage their time better, making homework less of a chore. I usually sit with my son in the evening after he comes back from the park at around 6 p.m. and I keep the homework time not very long. Step 3 is to break homework down into manageable chunks. Large assignments can feel very overwhelming, so help your child divide them into small tasks with specific goals. Tackling one small task at a time can make homework feel less daunting and more achievable for your child. They will find that the homework is easier and they'll want to do more of it. But if it's too overwhelming, they usually don't want to do it. They start to hate the experience of studying. Spending 2 hours straight trying to finish homework is definitely not a good idea. This will make it more difficult for your child to do their homework next time. And step 4 is to be available for help. But don't hover around your child. Let your child know that you're there if they need assistance, but encourage them to try solving problems on their own first. This approach fosters independence and encourages your child to come up with their own problem-solving skills and ideas, while still providing them the support that they need. I don't sit with my son while he's doing his homework, and I've been doing this from day one. I usually tell him that once you finish this sheet, call me and I'll come running to you and I'll give you a small surprise. This motivates him to finish. Now, you don't have to give a surprise every time. This is just like a small term strategy to start with. But if you see that your child is doing his homework, then you can stop giving the surprise. The surprise can be a secret message in your child's ears. It can also be a warm hug. It can also be a small post-it note that you put on your child's desk. So these small things can really encourage your child to get started and also encourage them to continue with their homework hours. Step 5 is to encourage regular breaks. Long periods of continuous studies can lead to burnout and decrease productivity. Suggest short breaks to help your child recharge and stay focused. Short scheduled breaks can improve concentration and make homework time more productive and enjoyable. I recommend not sitting for more than 25 minutes if your child is in the age group 0 to 7 and not more than 45 minutes if your child is in the age group 8 to 12. After 12 years of age, I think the child should be independent and decide their own study time based on their productivity cycle. Maybe this is a concept I'll cover in one of my future videos on how to identify the productive cycle. But above 12, I think they should be more or less on their own. Step 6 is to use positive reinforcement. Praise your child's effort and accomplishment, no matter how small. positive feedback boosts their confidence and motivates them to do their work. Recognizing your child's hard work and progress encourages a positive attitude towards homework and learning. So let me give you an example. So after they finish one sheet, you can tell them, I'm so happy that your speed is becoming better and you are doing your homework much quicker now. This can also help improve your child's self-esteem. If you want, you can watch my video on how to improve your child's self-esteem. I have shared the link in the description for you. Step 7 is to communicate with your child's teachers. Stay informed about their homework expectations and any areas where your child might need extra support. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. Strong partnership with teachers ensures that you're aligned on how to give the best support to your child's learning. And step 8, which is also my favorite, is to encourage a growth mindset. Teach your child that effort and persistence are the key to learning and improvement. Emphasize that mistakes are a part of learning process. A growth mindset helps children approach homework with positive attitude and believe that they can improve with practice. Allow them to make mistakes. Please do not scold them. Don't get mad. Don't get impatient just because you don't have too much time. Because if you pressurize them too much, they'll want to run away from the homework and it'll become very, very difficult. So now these are 8 amazing ideas that you have to start with. These are very simple ideas and try to execute them one at a time and you will definitely see an improvement. The idea is to remain patient because remember, the goal is to make homework a positive and productive experience for your child. So let's be patient because remember, the goal is to make homework a positive and a pleasant experience for our children. I hope this was useful and I hope this will make your life very simple. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such simple parenting ideas. And next week I'm creating this beautiful video on how to discipline our children effectively. So if this is a topic that is of interest to you, make sure you come back next week. Happy parenting. I'll see you next time.